All praise to the Most High, cause He saved me. All praise to the Most High.
Good morning. It is currently 5:43 in the morning. Just woke up. Just got done washing my face and stuff like that. I'm about to get ready. At 7, I have a call with a friend of mine. I'm gonna go over the charts and just talk about our past trading week. So, yeah. I completely forgot that I left my bags from Target in my car. Fudge. I got bananas in here too. Dang.
Seem unclear. Trust yourself and you will know, my dear. Oh, I know that it's not easy.
The Lone Sailor. I remember I took a picture in front of the one when I graduated boot camp. And this here, the ship. Navy ship.
You can't love your money and also love the Lord. I've tried before and I'll die before I try again. You can't gain fame and it ever satisfy. I've done and tried to numb me right down to my bones. It's impossible. It's impossible. I would rather die a beggar than to beg at heaven's gates. Pack the car and burn the bridges. I didn't need him anyway. If no one's riding with me, then I'll travel on my own. I'd rather lose the world before the world
to come out here and say a big thank you to everyone that's supporting the channel. I think last Sunday I was about 528 subscribers, 29 subscribers, and now we're sitting at 588, almost 600 subscribers within a matter of 7 days. So just want to say a big thanks to everyone who's supporting the channel. Like I said, it hasn't been easy to post, every single day alongside with actually trading and, being focused and dialed in on the markets, but I'm pushing through and pumping these videos out. So like I said, I'm gonna keep going, and this is gonna be for the next 2 months at minimum. So thanks for supporting. I'm gonna keep grinding, but right now I'm about to go to Target because yesterday I did go to Target, but I have a bad habit of not creating a grocery list. So it's like a few hours later, I realized that there's some things that I still need. So right now, I'm going to go to Target. And then, yeah, I'm making my steak because I'm hungry, bro. If Target could talk, it'd be like, bro, you're back again. Like, you're really back again. Probably going to regret this, but I am craving some sweets right now. I just absolutely crave. Make sure y'all check y'all eggs. Goodbye, Target. I'll probably see you tomorrow.
Jesus, Jesus, Jesus Christ is Lord, yeah. Got me by my side, yeah.
So market opened about 2 hours ago. I placed a buy limit at this 1 hour OB right there on my Top Step account. So I want price to trade lower into the 1 hour OB. Buy limit gets triggered, and then I take price higher. I wanted to take price higher to these highs here that I talked about in my weekly market breakdown. That'll be at the end of this video. But it's like price just gapped higher. We might just take the highs without pulling back. But if anything, hopefully we take the highs, then pull back, and then take it higher from there. But for now, it's currently how price is developing, but just gonna let things play out. Like I said, it's only been 2 hours since market open. But yeah, I'm looking forward towards this week, trading wise. Welcome to the weekly market breakdown for the last trading week of the month of March, along with the last trading week of quarter one. This week should be a pretty interesting trading week, to say the least. I'm ready for it. I'm excited for it. And just looking forward towards overall how price develops this week. So just jumping right into the market breakdown, we always start off with the monthly time frame. So monthly time frame, we're currently seeing, I did my analysis already as well, so I'd kind of just be going over it. So we're currently seeing price come off of the low here. So we open here, we get the high of the month, we see a major flush down, and then once that low of the month is formed, price is now starting to showcase higher prices, and price is currently here. So as of now, I do believe that the low of the month is set in stone. I don't think that price will take out this low and continue to trade lower. When it comes to the monthly open, high, low, close, I think that this low will stay intact and this high will remain intact. Now, it will be interesting to see if we do finish off the week of March trading higher, and then we see a lack of intention with this candlestick overall. That'll be pretty interesting. But so far, again, like I said, we're just reacting from this area to the left, and we're starting to push higher. And like I went over last week's weekly market breakdown, in a bullish year, the low of the year tends to form between January and March. Most of the time, it's going to be in March. Bearing in mind, we are still in March, so we'll kind of just play it by ear when it comes to that. Weekly time frame. All right, weekly time frame, market structure is, we still have market structure as bullish. We have higher high, higher low, higher high, new higher low. Now, whenever we expect a new higher low, whenever we see a new potential higher low that forms, which is now, we're going to be expecting that next bullish phase higher. to see that new higher high once price takes out this week high. So what I'm looking for is something like this. Something like this, pretty much. And the price continue to trade higher until, the last swing high, which is here, gets taken. And only when this high, if this high gets taken, is when we'll have, this will be a confirmed swing low or confirmed higher low. But for now, like I said, right now, last week didn't really close with much. We pretty much are in a range bound market right now, which makes sense because, as you can see, not last week, but the week prior to last week, price trades into the weekly OB to the left, and then we immediately trade higher, showing no signs of wanting to trade lower on the weekly time frame, showing a lack of attention, and then we see a pause in price. So this normally happens when it comes to reversals. So it's honestly just a matter about being patient. But after this major flush down the past 4 trading weeks, I definitely want to see a buyback start to come into play at some point in time. And then again, eventually this will be a clean target for price. I do have relative equal highs because this high failed to take out this swing high. So that is pretty much engineered. It induced sellers into getting short. But again, the market makers, this is just simply the market building up liquidity. So, daily time frame. All right. So daily time frame, this is pretty much what price has been trading within the past, 10 trading days. So definitely we're not trading in high probability market conditions right now. Hence, the trades that I did not end up playing out in my favor pretty much just got chopped around in this price action here. If you're a scalper, you can definitely capitalize even on these moves, but me as a swing trader executing the 1 hour time frame, it's just not fruitful for me personally. And like I said, I did get chopped around in some trades last week due to that. So currently, it's a waiting game, honestly. But as you can see here, like this region of price, this pause in price here is pretty much keeping price from trading any higher. So we have this area here, the weekly bullish OB, and then we have this daily bearish pause in price. So this is what you call higher time frame trapped order flow, where price is just pretty much trading in between OB here and OB here. So nothing's really high in probability right now. I'm just waiting for a breakout. But as you can see, price is still showcasing higher. And I don't use channels, but I can see it here. We're just pretty much waiting for a breakout here. So we can either probably take out this low here and then trade higher, or we may just break out completely, retrace that area, then trade higher. It's just a waiting game. But we are protecting lows to the left. So this low protected this low here, and then like I said, this low protected this low here. So and then we do have buy side here being engineered as well. We have these clean highs. So again, it's just a matter of just patience, letting price develop, waiting for the right opportunities, not taking any impulsive trades because you're in a rush to trade. Just let the market develop. Let price do its thing. You really can't really force trades. So that's what I'm looking at currently on the daily time frame. Let's go to the 4 hour. All right, 4 hour time frame, we still have order flow as bearish, but is looking like price is starting to showcase bullish intentions. Price is forming bearish structure and order flow here as price is making a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Price fails to make a new lower low, protects this swing low to the left and form a new higher low instead. Then we see price close above the last swing high. So we have our internal shifting market structure, higher high, price comes down, retraces up, protects this high. So because this swing low failed to take out this swing high, this became a weak low, and that was taken. And at the same time, price retraced into this decisional right there. And then we see another internal shift to market structure, and now price is now starting to showcase higher. So it's looking good for longs. Like, the overall, when you look at this, swing from here. So this entire area here is a dually range for me. This swing high failed, it traded lower, but it failed to take out the overall market structure 4-hour swing low. So because of that, I'm now looking at this high as a weak high. So I want price to take out this high at some point in time. Now, whether it's this week or next week or the week after that, I don't know. That's not my job to know the trader. My job as a trader is just to simply wait for price to develop and wait for my entry model to present itself and execute, or not execute, but place my buy limit, when the appropriate time to do so is. And I'm actually thinking of placing one when the market opens up in a few hours, because something is shaping up really nicely in the 1 hour time frame that I'll get into right now. All right. So I just discussed this here as price pulled back, took out that low, and then we came back into that decisional right there. We have the internal shifting market structure. Price closes with strong bullish intentions. So now what I'm looking for is for price to either pull back into the decisional, place my buy limit here, and then I'll take price higher. Or price can completely trade through the decisional. Price trades higher. And there. So either going to be the decisional or it's going to be the extreme. But me, like I said, I'd much rather be in the trade. So I'd probably place my buy limit when market opens up in a few hours. Place my buy limit here at the decisional, and then keep my stop loss in line with the market structure. So that way, hey, if price wants to pull back to here, I'm not going to be aggressive with my stops. Because what if price trades back into the extreme? Okay, then I'm stopped out. But if I put my stop loss in line with market structure, I'm giving price the appropriate breathing room needed. So that will be that, It might take some drawdown, but it's cool. I'm still in the trade. Stop loss is at a safe spot. If I do get stopped out, okay, then we reassess. But until then, let me see what my target will be at. Like I said, I think when it comes to the month of March, I believe that the high of the month is going to stay intact. However, next month, the month of April, may also be bullish, or maybe bullish month if March is going to form the low of the year. But I target probably just the previous month high. Or I might just trail my stops. Not trail my stops, but I may not set a TP, and I say I just may kind of just trail it when price takes out buy side liquidity. Here, 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 here. So my first target will be here. So that'll be a 1 and 2. If I target the next buy side liquidity pool, that'll be 2 to 8R, 3 to 0.5R, and 4.8R. So for now, I'm gonna keep it here. And then we'll just kind of just see on what the intention for price is. I would definitely target higher. I'm not taking a 0R trade. That's not happening. But just saying, like, I'm looking for this high to be taken. So again, I'll go over one more time. What I'm going to be looking for going into the new week is for price to trade. Oh no, hold on. For price to open up. We may open up with the gap. We may not. Normally we open up with the gap, but not all the time. So we trade lower into the decisional. I'm putting my entry, my buy limit here. I'm triggering the trade. Cool. We see attention. So again, this is something that I'm going to be looking at going into the new week. I'll keep everyone updated for sure as always, but I think that price is really shaping up for longs right now. I don't see sales right now. I see longs. So I'm gonna do my best, my very best, to position myself in the best way possible. And then hopefully we can end this week on a good note. Because as you know, according to my weekly recap yesterday, this month has not been the best month of trading. I feel like I kind of just got caught on the wrong side of the market. Earlier on in the month of March, I experienced tilt, so it wasn't the best week of trading. I mean, the best month of trading, I would say overall. My first trading month like this in like about 6-7 months. So my goal isn't to really come out of the drawdown that I'm in within just this week alone, because obviously then I'll be over risking like crazy. I'm gonna use proper risk management and just, like I said, just try to come out of drawdown slowly but surely. But yeah, I'll keep everyone updated if I get tagged into this trade. And if I do get tagged into this trade, how is it playing out? And all of that. So besides that though, I hope everyone has a good trading week. Follow your trading plan, be disciplined, stick to your daily habits, and just show up for yourself, show up for your craft, and keep chasing your dreams.